Hello, I'm Lee Hanner of the Intelligent Mechatronic Engineering Department, the unmanned vehicle major. My student number is 190117722. From now on, let me introduce my C project. Let's take a look at the table of contents first. First, I will explain the idea of the most important C project, and then explain the purpose of make this project. Lastly, I will explain the code about the project. My C project is baseball records and description. There are three main categories: adding record, viewing record, and modified record. This is implemented as follows. Choose to edit, modify, and view record. And enter the player's name. Then do one of the following: edit, modify, or view. In addition, you can see it if you want to explain baseball-related terms. Baseball players are divided according to their position with batter and pitcher. Therefore, there is a difference in the record depending on the position. For batters, this record exists, and as mentioned earlier, additional baseball-related terms is added. The same goes for pitchers. Now, let me explain the purpose of making this C project. Records in various sports events are very important for the general audience as well as for the players. In particular, records in baseball game are of great interest to baseball fans as well as players, along with the emergence of professional baseball. And baseball is the most beloved sport in the world, and our country is one of the countries that enjoy baseball a lot in the world. But baseball records are more complex than any other sport, and the results from them are also very diverse. Therefore, recorders must attend sports to record, announce, and obtain necessary data. For example, various records such as batting average, RBI, home run, stolen base, etc. for each baseball player are of interest to baseball fans, and all records such as batting average, RBI, home run, etc. for a particular pitcher or hit probability based on ball count are very important for coaching staff who manage players or play games. These days, baseball record code or the data that occurs during the game enter the contents of the game as it's called to create a ball game record database and print out all the necessary results from the written database using a computer program. However, to understand these baseball records, we need common sense about baseball. Many people who want to enjoy baseball say they don't know the common sense of relatively complex baseball, unlike other sports, so they can't approach it easily. The ultimate purpose of my C project is to help people who are not familiar with baseball-related common sense and to allow baseball fans to see baseball players' records at a glance. And furthermore, many people enjoy it. Now, let's look at the C language code. First of all, it is the main code. Initialize the flag to 0 and make a menu and print it out. Enter the flag to select the menu and rotate the switch to perform the function. However, if you receive a flag that does not fit in the menu, a prompt will be printed to re-end. Because it was a temporary project, the maximum number of input players was set at 5, and the structure for feature, batters, and the record was created. From now on, let's look at the function. If you look at the input record function, you get a name. The next position is entered with 1 pointing to the feature and 2 pointing to the better. Then right switch and get a record of the feature at 1 and a record of the better at the second. And each time this function executes, it increases the count. Let's look at the show record function. If the count is 0, that is, if there is no value entered, the player is inferred that there is no record. First, enter the name. Compare it with the name entered and print the record according to the position. You will then be entered with a choice for additional term description. Call the addition explanation function if the choice Y means yes. Let's look at the additional explanation function. Enter a number that requires an explanation of the term, such as the number assigned in the input record function, and call the description using the switch. Then it's print like this. Let's look at the correct function. First, you will be entered with the name of the player you want to modify. It compares with the name entered, such as the show record function, and is re-entered according to the position when equal. Finally, use the deleted node function to release the allocated memory. Thank you for listening to my presentation so far. Thank you.